Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how we can fix the voice call feature not working on Telegram and the Telegram web application, for example on PC or on your laptop. So let us guide you through this, guys. So let's assume you would like to initiate a voice call with that user here. All you will need to do is click into that button in the top right corner, into that phone call button, and usually it should work, guys. But if for some reason you can't start the phone call, it may be because you haven't given the Telegram application the permission to access and to use your microphone. For instance, on your computer, guys, make sure that you have plugged in your microphone and connected it with your headset, for example, with your computer. And if that's the case, guys, it's time to check the permissions for Telegram on Google Chrome. To do that, simply click into this button here next to this URL address at the top. And after that, click into site settings here to access the site settings for Telegram. So as you can see, you will be redirected to your Telegram site settings. In here, under permissions, simply click into a microphone and make sure that it's not selected or set to block, because if your microphone is blocked, you won't be able to start any phone calls. So let me give you a live example of that, guys. Simply select ask, or even better, allow. And if I now initiate a call with that user here by clicking into that button, I will get asked by Telegram to allow microphone this time, or for every time whenever I visit this site. So let me go with allow this time, and that should enable the microphone. So now simply wait till your contact picks up, and that should fix the issue, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.